So let's talk a little bit about project templates. They're really powerful and they'll get your project up and running like that. And we're excited to share that with you. We just think it'll add a lot of value to your farm. So when you first log in, you'll see all your projects that you've been brought onto. If people have invited you to projects, it'll be there as well. And you can actually create your own project. And let's just say it's in Oklahoma. Why not? And then you get to choose the language, the metrics or imperial system, and then you have the powerful project templates. The project templates are basically your SOP, your standard operating procedures for your farm. And when you select one of these, it will be implementing the recommendations from that organization. So we've worked with the experts to try and get as many templates up there as possible, and we'll be continuing to add more as things come along. And so right now you have the option for the FAO, the Food and Ag Organization at the UN, and you also have aquaponic source, and then just a basic setup with standard water quality parameters. And so let's just go ahead and do the FAO for now and hit create. That was fast, and really all it did was it set up everything that you need for your task list, for your logs, for everything basically. You're set up and ready to start recording and get insights into your system. When you see the dashboard, you'll see all this useful insight, ready to start system cycling, ready to check out your nutrient availability, ammonia toxicity, all that stuff is built into it. All you have to do is just start recording your metrics. The tasks is really the SOP that was recommended by the FAO in the small handbook that they have. That's, I think it was 300 to 600 pages. So that, instead of having to read that overnight, you can actually just go through here and see what you have to do for that day. And you just hit that checkbox, leave a note, and you're done. And you'll see Hunter was here and he fed the fish the second time. And that happened a few seconds ago. So if you're working with a team, you'll immediately see all of the people and what they're doing and when they did it. So you could see the standard operating procedures, who forgot to do something, who should be doing something, etc. So really powerful tool for your farm. On top of that, the SOP sets up checklists. Checklists are that is the SOP. That's the things that you need to be doing on a daily, weekly, monthly, 3 times a week basis. And then it also sets up your notebooks, which can actually track any number of metrics and even the general metrics of weight, length, height, volume, quantity. So you could start tracking your harvests and things like that as well. So there's just a lot to input, and there's a lot to tinker, and everything is customizable. So we hope that helps you grow, and we hope that helps you get started in the cloud, and we're excited to see how you use the templates.